Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you'd subscribe. Today we're going to be doing an Ulta haul. I wanted to just spend money, guys, and like I said in my previous Ulta haul, I've been trying to get back into makeup, and so a lot of these things are just things that I thought looked pretty or things I wanted to try because of recommendations from the internet. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of the box here is the biggest thing that I got, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills little kit thing. First of all, this kit is super cute. I'm actually going to keep it around because I find it to be just so pretty. In this kit, it says that it is a $94 value, and I want to say that I paid less than $40 for this because it was already discounted because it was a Christmas thing, and then it was discounted even more because I bought it on sale. It originally was $65, but I think I got it for like 40 something. So in this little kit, you do get a palette, which is the whole reason I bought this because, well, I love their palettes. This is the Sultry palette, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I thought, do I really need to buy another eyeshadow palette? But the colors on this, guys, I can see myself using every single day. This is absolutely gorgeous. These are so pretty. I looked up some different makeup looks that people have done with this, and I find it to be really, really, really pretty. So I did want to grab this just to try it and see what I think. ABH makes some of my favorite everyday eyeshadows. I use Soft Glam literally every day that I do my makeup almost. It's what I'm wearing today, and I love the other two palettes I have from them, so I'm really excited to have this in my collection. And then at the bottom of this little cute drawer, you do get a couple of little extra bonus goodies, which these were just extra to me. I wasn't like super sold on getting that. I just knew this was a great value for what I got. You do get a mascara, a liquid liner, and an eye primer in here. I'm not a huge fan of liquid liner. I don't really wear that a lot, so I probably will be passing that along to my sister. But the mascara and the eye primer are super awesome, and like I said, I got it for a really, really good deal. So this was the first thing that I picked up. You're going to see a pattern for the rest of the items, and that's going to be all NYX products. They were having like extra points on NYX, and NYX is one of my favorite drugstore brands. They have a lot of really great products that are super affordable, and I wanted to take advantage of the extra points. The first three things I got from NYX were these Sweet Cheeks matte blushes. I got them in 3 different colors. I got one in Totally Chill, one in Fig, and one in So Taupe. The So Taupe I thought would be a good like bronzer color. I'm going to show you it real quick. I thought it would be perfect for my skin tone. So this is what this one's the one that I was going to use as like a bronzer. I just think that or maybe it's a contour. I get really confused which is which on one of those, but I think you guys know what I'm saying. I just think this is going to be a really pretty color for that. This right here is the shade Fig, and I really personally like these darker blushes like this. And that's a beautiful color. I love that color. And this is the last one that I got here, and this one's called Totally Chill. Again, it's one of those darker blushes. I personally just am a huge fan of these. The packaging on these actually feels really nice. So there's that one. That's the last one I got. I have not seen or heard anything about these blushes. I just got them because they had colors that I liked. A lot of these Sweet Cheeks were on the more darker side, and again, that's what I personally prefer. The next thing that I got is a bronzer. This is a matte bronzer by NYX. This is just in the shade Light. It doesn't have a color name other than Light. The packaging on this also feels really nice, and then again, this is just what it looks like. Nothing super special about this, but I needed to pick up another one of these, and I picked up the NYX brand because they were having like 5 times the points or something like that. Okay, so the next thing that I got here is a setting spray. This is the Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil little spray thing. I haven't heard a lot about this either, but I wanted to try it. I'm really into like the cannabis oil products, so I wanted to give this one a go. So I'm excited to see what I think about it, and I'm hoping it smells nice. The next 2 things I got from NYX are lip products. I absolutely love the NYX Lip Lingerie lipsticks. They're what I use pretty much every day. Delicate Lust is my absolute favorite color, and if I'm ever wearing like a neutral lip color, it's probably that one. I think the color's perfect on me. The formula of this is super great, and so I wanted to pick up another one of those. I do have a couple shades in this one, but this is the shade Cabaret Show. It's a little bit more red than I thought, but I actually really, really, really like this, and so I'm excited to see what I think. There's a swatch of it right there. I'm not sure how great that's showing up, but like I said, this is like my favorite formula of liquid lipstick, and I want to expand on what I have from them, from this line. If you guys are looking for a really good liquid lipstick, highly, highly, highly recommend the Lip Lingerie. My favorite shade is Delicate Lust. And then of course, you guys already know probably, I had to pick up these lipsticks. This this is the Shine Loud. And if you guys have been on any social media, specifically TikTok, these are all the rage right now. They have a lot of different colors, but I picked up, you know, the darker browns. This one is in the shade, let me see, because I don't know. Okay, so this one I believe is in the shade Never Basic, and then I also got Next Gen Thinking. So if you guys don't know what these are, they are liquid lipsticks that are not going to transfer, but they have like a gloss to them. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not a huge gloss person, but I have seen people rave about these. So basically what you do is you take one end, which has the color, you apply it, you let it dry, and then you put the gloss on. You do have to reapply the gloss, but the color does not transfer all day, and I'm for that. I love having a liquid lipstick that's going to last and stay no matter what I eat, drink, or what I do. So definitely excited to get these a go, and I'll probably do a first impressions. I can do it here on YouTube if you want, but I would also probably do it on TikTok. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But very excited about these, and I love these colors. I think they're so cute. Now that's all that I got that I paid for. I also ordered a lot of NYX stuff because they were having like a little free goodie bag thing. That's why I love Ulta. They always do stuff like this. So I got a free 5-piece set of NYX stuff. It comes with the Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil. It comes with a butter gloss, an eyeliner, 2 eyeliners, let me make sure it's an eyeliner, and then a lip liner. So what I don't see myself using, I will end up passing along or throwing it in a giveaway for you guys. But I just love how Ulta always is doing like extra points or free goodies and stuff like that. That's why I continue to go back to Ulta, because superb. Chef's kiss. Love it. I know this was a small Ulta haul, guys, but like I said, I've been dabbling back into makeup. If you guys want to see any of my thoughts or reviews on these products, please let me know in the description box below. I do plan on doing first impressions of those NYX lipsticks, so I will either do it here on YouTube or on TikTok, depending on what I have time to film. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!